Hey everybody, Todd Cooperrider here from Esoteric. As you can see from the background here, it's a little bit different. We are filming something special. We are looking for beta testers for, let's say, something new and exciting we're going to be bringing to the detailing world. Now, I know a lot of you have been watching our channel for many years. You've been commenting regularly on everything that we're doing, and we would like to enlist your help. Now, you don't need to have any kind of experience, being any kind of beta tester or anything, product development. I'm looking for people who are DIY people. I'm looking for people who are professional detailers and anything and everything in between. We're probably going to select a couple of dozen people to participate in this program. You could call that the select few, which is the meaning of esoteric. What we're going to do is, in the description, we're going to link you to a page where you can go in, fill out the application to become part of it. You'll be notified if you've been selected, and then we're going to have all the instructions from there. It's not going to require a tremendous amount of your time, and there will be something in it for you at the end. So if you're really into detailing, you really want to help find ways to make detailing more accessible, better information to more people, then click on that link, apply to be a beta tester for this program. Not everybody will be selected, but once again, fill out the application. I know that all of you guys have been great for following our content over the years, and look forward to working with you closely on this program. As always, we appreciate you hanging out with us here on Esoteric Channel. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.